Guys, Smoking Bears here. Got Bear Cub. I got the taste for some al pastor. Ran around looking for the right peppers and all that, dried peppers, so I could try that recipe. The store I went to didn't have them. They were all out. So what I did find was this.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, it is a skillet al pastor stuff. So we're going to do a review on it. Right, Bear?
Yes.
So it says all you need is the starter kit and 1.25 pounds of meat and 2 tablespoons of oil. So I have some pork butt trimmings from our competition trials and all that stuff. So this would be a great use for that. So let's get right into this and cheers, everybody. All right, so the instructions are telling me to heat the oil in a large skillet over medium heat, add the meat and stir occasionally until brown. So what I have is pork trimmings. I got my skillet awful hot. Probably a little too hot, but that's alright. I'm not going to put a whole lot in, oil in. I said 2 tablespoons, but I think that's if you're using ooh, that's hot. Just want a little bit in there, just enough to kind of coat it around. I'm using a 10-inch skillet. It says 1.25 pounds. I don't know how much I have. I just cut some. Like I said, I got my skillet nice and hot. I'm gonna brown all this up. Probably gonna be swimming in so take some out because I don't want all that greased pork fat to overfill. I'll cook that in a little bit. So let's let this see what this says. Add 2/3 of the sauce starter and cook thoroughly until sauce is thick. So let's let this go and we'll see what's up. I'm gonna, as you can see, it's starting to go. Barbecue guy, I have to at least salt and pepper. And that's the old Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan pink salt. And some pepper. I guess I should do it out of this way so it's not in your line of view. I did cut my heat down. So I'll be back when this is done. Alright, we'll see what we got going on. Sizzling away. Found my my handle holder. Looks good. It's brown. That's what it says. So I'm gonna pull this off. Put it over here on my paper towels because it says to strain. All right, we got it strained, or got it pulled off. I patted it a little bit, not a lot. Put it back in the skillet. Dumped all that juice out of there, all that grease. Now, it says to add 2/3 and then add the remainder of the toss to coat. So, I'll cut the heat back a bit. So this is what it looks like. You can kind of see some of the bits in there. Kind of oily. I don't know. So let's just go ahead and tear it open. Say 2/3. Oh, it's kind of pasty. Dog, quit. He's bumping the tripod. Get all that out. Right. It says 2/3 and then toss add the other third to toss the coat, but I'm just going to dump it all in there. So, and get all those flavors up out of there. Ooh, kind of peppery. That's actually not real bad. I like that. Just the sauce itself. Toss this. Mix it in here and toss it up. That one got away. So we'll just toss this around like so. Oops. So then it says, add remaining toss to coat and remove from heat. So got the heat off. Then it says serve on this name brand tortillas. So for me, all right guys, so we're gonna give this a taste test. Here's what it looks like. Camera. It's got a little tang to it towards the end. It's not real hot. It's not hot at all. It's kind of like a I don't really know how to explain that. Got the peppers, but it's not hot. It's not overly peppery. Well, this is better than the last al pastor I tried making, let me tell you that. So, right here. Actually, give it a whirl. It wasn't too bad. It was like $2 or something, like $2.38 at Wally World. Yeah, I'd give it a thumbs up. So, I've got a little something else that I want to try to do with this, why I have it out. So, that may be in another video. But that's Smoking Bears. I'm out. Everybody have a great weekend. Remember, even if you're indoors, man, a family that cooks together, actually barbecues together, will stay together. But just get out there and cook, man. Just fire it up. Try something different with your kids. Cheers.